Alrighty, what is going on, guys? It's Gavin Michaud back with another video. If you're new here, I do weekly related scooter content today. Trenton Vong, his Instagram's there. We're gonna play a game of scoot. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, I'm gonna be setting first. Let's go to the big section. Okay, for my first set, start off relatively nice. Nice little bri bar.
Clean. All right, my turn. Finger bar up the bank.
Up the bank?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh.
All right.
Does that count?
Does that count as a set? What? Does that count as a set? He called his trick and then he hit.
Was it what was it?
It was a finger
bar.
And I went up and I went like this.
I think that counts because your feet came off the deck. So it counts as you. The intention of you doing a finger whip counts. If you went up and just went like this, you did not attempt to go for the finger whip. Your feet came off. That counts.
It's a fucking YouTube video.
Does Rain make a good point? I don't know.
Comment down below. Does my statement stand?
That's for me. I'll do 3 bri whip up the big step up.
Okay. That was actually really nice.
Thank you.
I'll not do that because we don't want to end up in a coffin by the end of the day. End up in a coffin by the end of the day. Floor bar?
Sure.
Okay. Since Gavin learned them and relearned them not too long ago, I think it's fair. I'll give you 3 tries.
Give me 2. 3's a bit much.
Okay, 2 tries and then I'll do it.
Actually, you know what? No. I ain't about that. Give me 1 try, and then I lost my rebate. So we're gonna play real scoot here. Nice. Oh. Okay, pause the video right now. Leave a comment if you think I'm gonna land it or not. If you get it wrong,
unsubscribe.
Oh, okay.
And subscribe to me. You can't say pop and forget the smoke. Man, I wanna make Gavin choke. I don't ride bikes because I don't got a spoke. I like Caden LaRoque. Oh, that was like hella commitment. Do you need a second?
Yeah. Land the square. I'll know it. You're going to.
Okay.
I'm gonna fast land in front of you, but I'm gonna do it right here.
Okay. Oh boy. Again, he wants to end up in a grave today. Holy. Alright. Whoa, that is scary. Yes. Alright, so we decided double kicky, none of the Kai club. Alright, but full kicky on the second box in the snake run.
Down. Oh, got stuck. Okay, I'm gonna do the deck grab finger up this.
Okay. Okay, I'll do guard ground.
You'll do it? Alright. Okay.
Oh, you cheeky Fanta.
Could you do 3 kicky at big step up?
Yeah, I'll try.
Okay.
Oh no.
I tried so hard to pull that around.
I actually would be pissed. 8 out of 10 skill pissed. No, you're doing it just for the video.
Oh. Holy fucking transition.
All right, Even though it actually came from Gavin, not me. My set's gonna be double finger bar. Oh my goodness. Wowza bows. Okay.
My phone was on my kneecap. Now my kneecap's on
Oh, fuck no. Gavin. End him on a mick-whip.
End the game with a fucking mick-whip.
All right, hey, rock, paper, scissors. If you lose, I end it on a mick-whip.
Oh.
Yeah, like rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, I'm not doing a triple mick-whip. That's what it is. What should I do now? Not triple mick-whip.
Okay, just do double mick-whip. Honestly, just do one mick-whip.
One mick-whip.
At least he has a chance of doing it.
It's gonna get me out. It's gonna be like a 6-minute video. Okay.
Can we get a pissy mish meter going?
The pissy mish meter is about.
On a scale of like
I'd say
pissy
about
mish
here.
to like normal mish.
Yeah, we're about here.
Okay, so like if the meter is like your body and the head is the top of the meter,
Yeah.
you're about
About the nips.
you're about the nips. Why are you? You're in the wrong
They're not. Yeah,
spot,
they're
bro.
right here.
like
Sorry, they're
over
behind
there.
you. Oh, if you know, you know. By the way.
FYI, I've never done this before.
Okay, now next set do double.
Okay.
You look pissed.
That was a new one for me. I'm pissed.
Serious bars impaled him like a BBC in a white.
Yo, pissy mish,
Yeah.
pissy mish meter check.
9 out of 10. Look, he's
Yo,
gonna
why
go
does your
like
helmet say bangers?
this. It moved.
It's fucking baby powder. What the fuck?
Hold up. Where's my wallet?
Dump the whole thing out of the bag. Whoa.
Oh, it's gonna come right back up.
Yeah.
YouTube, don't take this down. It's baby powder. See, the bag says baby.
All right. Yeah, Rain's just got his N. He's super excited, as you can tell. He doesn't have his L. He has his N. So I'm gonna let him drive my car to the store because it's only like a 3-minute drive. I'm actually gonna do this. I got the knee pads on.
Where's the? Oh. Holy! Your car just got a boner. You ever think of it like that?
Oh. Pull out, we're in.
It's
There
out.
you go. Yeah. And then this traction control off because you want to drift. I'll put it in sport mode for it to see.
Of course you will.
There's Rain. Alrighty, I got some new parts courtesy of Lair Pro Shop. Use code MISH www.lairproshop.com. You already know the vibes. Or code RAIN, but Mish makes more sense because it's Mish. Yeah. What is fair trying? All right, when I get these new parts thrown on, I'm gonna get some GoPro clips. Woo! We got the Scoot upgraded. New fork, new clamp, new headset. An actual dialed scooter for once in my life. Sweet. Okay, so a series of unfortunate events just happened. My dear friend, Trenton Vuong, just broke his ankle doing a cash roll with the boys.
Someone's phone number?
You can't eat anything.
Here, give you Rain's number.
Huh?
Right to the morning, we came with the sticks. Bodies be chalking, it is what it is. Fucked up the city, we used to be kids. Price on my head. out the box for the bitch. Brand new doors out the coupe.